Bay leaf is a common ingredient in many savory dishes. Although fresh bay leaves are available, dried bay leaves are usually easier to find. They're used to flavor soups, stews, and sauces. However, they should be removed before serving because they have a bitter taste. Aside from culinary applications, researchers have studied bay leaf for possible health benefits. Laurus nobilis is a Mediterranean native herb from the evergreen bay laurel family. Turkish with long oval leaves and Californian with long narrow leaves are the two most common types. Bay leaves have been used throughout history for their potential health benefits. In this video, we will share the benefits of bay leaf tea, get rid of all diseases. The number one benefit of bay leaf tea is aiding in cognitive function and memory. One study found that rats administered bay leaf extract improved performance in maze tests, indicating enhanced memory and learning ability. Another study found that rats treated with bay leaf extract exhibited increased exploratory behavior, indicating improved cognitive function. Additionally, both studies found that the rats treated with bay leaf extract had higher levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory and learning. These findings suggest that bay leaf tea may also improve cognitive function and memory in humans. Thus, it may be helpful for students studying for exams or older adults seeking to preserve their mental health. The number 2 health benefit of bay leaf tea is it improves digestion. Bay leaves contain high levels of dietary fiber, which helps to bulk up stools, promote regular bowel movements, and relieve digestive issues like constipation, cramps, and gas. Additionally, bay leaves are a natural source of nutrients like calcium and magnesium, which can help to relieve indigestion and other stomach problems. For these reasons, drinking a cup of bay leaf tea after meals can effectively promote digestive health. So number 3 is it boosts immunity. Bay leaf tea has been used for centuries as a home remedy for a variety of ailments. Today, we know that bay leaves are a rich source of nutrients including vitamins A and C, iron, potassium, and calcium. They also contain several antioxidants, which can help to boost immunity and protect against disease. In addition, bay leaves have anti-inflammatory properties, making them helpful in treating conditions like arthritis and asthma. The number 4 is it lowers blood sugar levels. Diabetes is a chronic condition when the body cannot properly regulate blood sugar levels. This can cause very severe health problems from heart disease to kidney damage. While there is no cure for diabetes, there are treatments that can help to manage the condition. One recent study has shown that bay leaf tea may be an effective diabetes treatment. The study found that bay leaf tea could reduce the amount of glucose absorbed from the gut, making it an effective way to manage blood sugar levels. Bay leaf tea is also thought to improve insulin sensitivity, which makes it a valuable tool for managing diabetes. In addition to its blood sugar lowering effects, bay leaf tea is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. These characteristics make bay leaf tea a versatile drink with many potential health benefits. The number 5 benefit is it may help wounds heal. The antibacterial properties of bay leaves may help to cleanse the wound and promote healing. In contrast, the anti-inflammatory properties may help to reduce swelling and redness. Bay leaf tea can also be used as a compress or applied directly to the wound. However, speaking to a healthcare professional before, using bay leaf tea for wound healing is essential, as some people may be allergic to the plant. One study found that rats treated with bay leaf tea had significantly lower levels of inflammation and quicker healing times than those who did not receive the treatment. The researchers believe that the compounds in bay leaf tea reduce inflammation and promote cell regeneration. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans, there is evidence that bay leaf tea may be a helpful addition to the standard wound treatment. So number 6 is bay leaf tea may help to improve heart health. Bay leaves are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that is essential for heart health. Magnesium helps relax the muscles in the arteries and prevents plaque buildup. Additionally, bay leaves are rich in antioxidants like quercetin and rutin. These compounds have been shown to protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation and preventing the formation of blood clots. A recent study found that rats given bay leaf extract had significantly lower levels of LDL or bad cholesterol and higher levels of HDL or good cholesterol than those who did not receive the treatment. The researchers believe that the antioxidants in bay leaves are responsible for these effects. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans, there is evidence that bay leaf tea may be a helpful addition to the diet for people with heart disease. So number 7 is it may have anti-cancer properties. A review of studies concluded that the compounds in bay leaves might help protect against colon cancer. Several studies have shown that the compounds in bay leaves may have anti-cancer properties. One study found that a compound called linalool found in bay leaves could kill off cancer cells in the laboratory. Another study found that a compound called eugenol, another component of bay leaves, inhibited the growth of lung cancer cells. While more research is needed to confirm these findings, there is evidence that bay leaf tea may be a helpful addition to the diet for people at risk of developing cancer. Number 8 is it can improve skin health. The antioxidants in bay leaf tea can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, bay leaf's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce swelling and redness. Bay leaf tea can also be used as a compress or applied directly to the skin. However, speaking to a healthcare professional before using bay leaf tea for skin health is essential, as some people may be allergic to the plant. One study found that rats treated with bay leaf extract had significantly lower levels of inflammation and quicker healing times than those who did not receive the treatment. The researchers believe that the compounds in bay leaves work to reduce inflammation and promote cell regeneration. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans, there is evidence that bay leaf tea may be a helpful addition to the standard treatment for skin conditions. So number 9 is it aids kidney health. The diuretic properties of bay leaf tea may help to improve kidney health. Diuretics help increase the amount of urine produced, which can help flush out toxins and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, the antioxidants in bay leaves may help to protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. While more research is needed to confirm these findings, there is evidence that bay leaf tea may be a helpful addition to the diet for people with kidney disease. So number 10 is it also treats nosebleeds. The astringent properties of bay leaf tea may help to treat nosebleeds. Astringents work to constrict blood vessels and reduce bleeding. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves may help to reduce swelling. Bay leaf tea can be applied directly to the nose or inhaled through the nose using a cotton swab. However, speaking to a healthcare professional before using bay leaf tea for nosebleeds is essential, as some people may be allergic to the plant. It can also improve hair health. Bay leaf tea can be applied directly to the hair or scalp or added to shampoo. The antioxidants in bay leaves may help to protect the hair from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, bay leaves' anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce scalp inflammation. However, speaking to a healthcare professional before using bay leaf tea for hair health is essential, as some people may be allergic to the plant. Finally, it eliminates hair dandruff. The leaves of the bay laurel tree are rich in nutrients, including vitamins A and C, iron, magnesium, and calcium. These nutrients help to promote a healthy scalp and encourage new hair growth. Bay leaf tea has long been used as a remedy for hair dandruff. In addition, bay leaf's antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. To prepare bay leaf tea, steep a few leaves in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the tea has cooled, massage it into the scalp and rinse with clean water. For best results, use this treatment once or twice a week. With regular use, you should notice a reduction in hair dandruff within a few weeks. Although few studies have been conducted on the side effects of consuming large amounts of bay leaf tea, it is generally agreed upon that eating an entire bay leaf is not recommended. It will take longer to digest and may cause digestive issues. When cooking with bay leaves, it is best practice to remove them from the dish before serving, regardless of whether or not you believe in their health benefits. Usually, 3 to 4 bay leaves per recipe should suffice. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.